Let's start the class. So we start our class with welcome song. So you all have to sing the prayers and all. ठीक है? चलो start. We welcome you to school today, school today, school today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today, here today, here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome, bachcho. Welcome to this new and beautiful, beautiful day. Now, we are going to sing Mulberry Bush song. So, all have to sing along with ma'am. Okay? All right. What it is about Mulberry Bush song? What it is about? It is about our daily routine. है ना? हम लोग जो सुबह उठकर करते हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग है. Isn't it? तो आप सब करते हो ना, ब्रश, बाथ, एवरीथिंग. अगर आप करते हो तो यू ऑल हैव टू सिंग. ठीक है? ऑल राइट, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush, so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face, so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. This is the way we take a bath, take a bath, take a bath. This is the way we take a bath so early in the morning. This is the way we dress ourselves, dress ourselves, dress ourselves. This is the way we dress ourselves so early in the morning. This is the way we walk to school, walk to school, walk to school. This is the way we walk to school so early in the morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. All right, bacho. Now stand up for national anthem. Chalo, come on. Everyone, stand up for national anthem. Limakshi, can you hear me? Stand up. You all have to stand. Gaurav? Okay. Rishal, pay attention. All right, bacho. So thumbs inside, fingers on the top, and hands by your side. Attention. Now no one is going to move. Start करें. Start. जन गण मन अधिनायक जया हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग. तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे. गाए तब जय गाथा. जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे, जय हे, जय हे. जय 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 हे. Jai Hind. All right. Sit down, bacha. Sit down. Sit. National anthem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. National anthem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Now, how many days are there in a week? Yes, very good. Very nice, kids. So there are 7 days in a week. Come on, we quickly revise the days of the week and month's name. Chalo, let's start. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And Sunday is the holiday. All right, bacho. Now, how many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Okay, chalo, let's say it together. January, bolo, bolo, come on. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. Advika, switch on the camera, beta. All right, bacho. So today is Khushi's birthday in our class. Okay. So let's sing a birthday song for her. Come on, everyone. Let's sing together. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Khushi. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you, dear Khushi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, बच्चा. May God always bless you. Okay, now आपके friends ने आपको wish करा, so thank you. Say thank you to them.
Thank you. Thank you everyone. Bolo.
All right.
Thank you everyone for your love.
Thank you, everyone.
All right. Happy birthday once again, beta.
Thank you, ma'am. Bolo.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. All right, bachcho. Now let's start the class. Okay. So, first of all, we are going to do our English work. But before starting it, what we had done yesterday in our class, हमने कल हमारी क्लास में क्या करा था? We had done action words. आपको याद आया हमने action words करे थे, है ना? तो ma'am had told you what are action words? Action words are those which tells us what you are doing, what we are doing. Okay? हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? जो words ये बताएं, they are known as action words. Like now, what you all are doing? अभी आप क्या कर रहे हो? You all are sitting. आप सब बैठे हो, है ना? तो sitting describes what you all are doing. So sitting is action word. All right. Now आप सब खड़े हो जाओ. Stand up. Sorry. Yes. Now, what you are doing now? You all are standing. So standing is action word. Okay. Now, clap. Yes. Now, what is the action word? What you are doing now? We all are clapping. So what is the action word here? Clapping. Now jump. Jump. Come on. Jump. Yes. Jump, 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 jump. So what you all are doing? What action you are doing? You are jumping. So jumping is the action word. Isn't it? आपको समझ में आया? आपको समझ में आया? Now everyone bend yourself. Bend yourself and try to touch your feet. Come on, raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Now at this time, what you all are doing? Tell me. अभी आप क्या कर रहे हो? You all are bending. You all are bending. आप झुके हुए हो. So bending is action word. समझ में आया? Now I hope आपको समझ में आया कि what is action word. Okay, stand up. Stand up. अच्छा. Now try to stand on one leg. Fold your one leg. Fold your one leg and try to stand. एक आपका leg fold करो, हाथ से उसे पकड़ लो. Yes, hold with your hand. Now what you are doing? What we are doing? We are trying to balance. है ना? So balancing. All right, we are trying to balance. So what we are trying just now? Right now, we are trying to balance on one leg. So balance, it is action word. All right. So whatever you are doing, आपकी कोई भी चीज करने से जिससे आपकी बॉडी में मूवमेंट हो रहा है या जो भी काम आप कर रहे हो, सिट डाउन एवरीवन, जो भी आप काम कर रहे हो, दैट आर एक्शन वर्ड्स. वेदर यू आर ईटिंग, आप खाना खा रहे हो, वेदर यू आर राइटिंग, आप लिख रहे हो, वेदर यू आर ड्रिंकिंग, आप कुछ पी रहे हो, वेदर यू आर स्लीपिंग, आप सो रहे हो, वेदर यू आर जंपिंग, रनिंग, वॉकिंग, लाफिंग, सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, climbing, these all are action words. Understood? In simple language, the words which describes what you are doing, your action, they are known as action words. Understood? अगर आपको समझ में आया तो show your thumbs up. आपको समझ में आया? Very good. If anyone have any problem, मैम हमेशा कहते हैं कभी भी आपको कोई भी चीज में confusion हो, you ask me anytime. ठीक है? चलो. All right. So today we are going to write action words, few action words in our copy. So get your English notebook, and what you have to do? You have to first write down today's date. Oh, so today I forgot to say the date and the day. है ना? So आपने तो मुझे याद भी नहीं दिलाया मैम को कि मैम you forgot to say the date and the day. चलो. So today the date is 22 October 2021. What is the date today? Today is 22 October 2021. Okay, which month is going on? October. All right. And the days, yesterday was Thursday. कल Thursday था. तो आज कौन सा day हुआ? Today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. कल Thursday था. So today is Friday. All right, बच्चों. So get your English notebook and write down today's date, 22/10/2021. I hope अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि why we had written 10 here in the date. जबकि हम अक्टूबर बोल रहे हैं, because October is the 10th month of a year. That's why we had written 10 here instead of October. Okay. Maha, all right, all right. It is English one copy only. English one. Write down the date, bachcho, and then write down today's date. Today's date, and then write down the heading, action words. Parents, I'm telling to you also, if the kids are having any type of confusion related to any concept, you kindly make it clear. You kindly ask me. Okay? Related to any concept I'm telling. All right. So shall we start, बच्चों? Shall we start? अच्छा, अभी भी आप action कर रहे हो. What you are doing right now? What you are doing right now? You are writing. You all are writing. So the writing is also an action word. Writing. Whatever you are doing now, that the words which describe your activity, that is known as action words. चलो. Let's start, बच्चों. So I think अब मुझे बार बार कहने की जरूरत नहीं है. Whatever you are writing, you just have to read it first and then write it. Reading is very, very, very much important. Okay. reading is very important. So always you make a habit of it, that whatever you are writing now, you should read it first. You have to read it first. Start करें. Shall we start? चलो. The first word is writing. अच्छा, yesterday I told you कि in English words, English के words में बहुत सारी many times letters ऐसे होते हैं जो silent होते हैं. Silent letters. That means कि वो कुछ भी नहीं बोलते हैं. They can't produce any kind of sound. ठीक है, तो writing spelling में भी W is silent letter. मतलब W का sound नहीं आएगा. Okay? In English, many words are having silent letters. Silent letters का मतलब है कि वो letters चुप रहते हैं और कोई भी sound produce नहीं करते. So in writing, in the spelling writing, in the word writing, the letter W is silent. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Writing. Writing. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Writing. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Writing. Writing मतलब you all know लिखना. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Writing. Now next one. Jumping. So आप बोलकर देखो, आपको स्पेलिंग समझ में आएगी. j a m p j u m p. Jump. j a m p. Jump. And ing. I-N-G. Ing. Jumping. J-U-M-P-I-N-G. Jumping. J-U-M-P. Jump. I-N-G. Ing. Jumping. बच्चों बोलो और लिखो बेटा, आप लोग बोलो और लिखो प्लीज. Say and write. स्पेलिंग्स को आप 2-3 टाइम्स रीड करो एंड देन राइट इट. Say and write. J-U-M-P. Jump. I-N-G. Ing. Jumping. कूदना. जंप करना. Then drinking. अच्छा, try to make the spellings बेटा after saying the word drinking. अब कौन सा blend आ रहा है drinking में? Tell me which blend comes in drinking? Draw है ना, drinking. Draw. So D-R. Draw. Okay. अब draw में हम इंक मिलाएंगे. इंक. I-N-K. इंक. तो क्या बन गया? ड्रिंक. D-R. draw. I-N-K. इंक. ड्रिंक. And I-N-G. ing. Drink. King. Drink. King. Try to make the words, the spellings after saying the word. आपको पता चलेगा. गलत भी होती है तो ठीक है, विल मेक इट करेक्ट, बट ट्राई टू मेक द स्पेलिंग्स योर ओन. ठीक है, चलो रीड इट. D R-I-N-K, drink. I-N-G, ing, drink, king. Write down. Now next one. Next one is eating. Eat. पहले word लिखो, then ing हम बाद में लगा देंगे. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. And ing, ing. Eating. Eating. Khana. Eating. Writing, jumping, drinking, and eating. E-A-T-I-N-G, eating. Okay, so as I don't have space here, so shall I erase this? The first one? Chalo. Now, number 5. Number 5 is what we are doing at night. What we are doing at night? Sleeping. है ना? So, चलो बोल कर देखो, come on. Sleeping. कौन सा blend आ रहा है? Slaw. Sleeping, slaw. Okay. So, S-L, slaw. Now, sleep. E का sound आता है तो double E. Sleep. Sleep. Which letter says P? P. Sleep. S-L, double E-P. And I-N-G, ing. Sleeping. Sleeping. Harshit, you have written? Written? Okay. Now, bachcho, the next one is running. Chalo, we'll together make the spelling. Running. Okay. So run. R-A-N. Run. R. Then A किसका sound होता है? U. R-U-N. Run. Run. R-U-N. Run. R-A-N. Run. Then ning. N-I-N-G. Running. Running. R-U-N. N-I-N-G. Running. 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 All right. Now next. Number 7. Singing. मतलब गाना गाना. कुछ भी sing करना. Singing means गाना. Whether it is poem, song, anything you can sing. Okay. Singing. Yes, Aniv. Dancing. 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 Okay.